Why do gallstones form? Welcome. Today we are going to talk about why gallstones, also known as gallstones or cholelithiasis. This is a more common issue than it seems, affecting a large part of the world's population. If you have ever wondered how these stones form or what you can do to prevent them, this video is for you. The gallbladder, that small, pear-shaped organ just below the liver, has a crucial job: storing and releasing bile, a fluid produced by the liver that helps digest fats. But when the chemical balance of bile is upset, solid deposits can form. These deposits, known as gallstones, can range in size from a grain of sand to something as large as a golf ball. But why does this happen? There are two main types of gallstones. First, cholesterol stones, which are the most common and account for about 80% of cases. They are usually yellow-green in color, and no, they have nothing to do with blood cholesterol levels. They form when there is too much cholesterol in the bile that cannot be dissolved properly. On the other hand, there are less common pigment stones, which are dark brown or black in color. These form when there is too much bilirubin in the bile, a byproduct of the breakdown of red blood cells. This type of stone is more common in people with diseases such as cirrhosis, biliary tract infections, or inherited disorders such as sickle cell anemia. The formation of gallstones is a complex process that depends on several factors. One of the main ones is the overload of cholesterol or bilirubin in the bile, which leads to the formation of small crystals that grow over time to become stones. Cholesterol transport proteins also play an important role. If this balance is lost, cholesterol can crystallize. Even the gut microbiome can influence this process, as certain bacteria alter the composition of bile. And let's not forget that hormonal and genetic factors also play a role. Hormones such as estrogen can increase cholesterol levels in bile and reduce gallbladder movement. Among the most notable factors are gender. Women are twice as likely to develop gallstones due to the impact of hormones. Obesity increases cholesterol levels in bile. Rapid weight loss. During this process, the liver produces more cholesterol than the bile can handle. Age. From the age of 60, the risk increases. Medical conditions such as diabetes or liver disease, which also affect the composition of bile. Even something as simple as not completely emptying the gallbladder during meals can lead to a buildup of concentrated bile, promoting stone formation. Although we cannot always prevent them from forming, there are steps we can take to reduce the risk. Maintain a healthy weight, but avoid extreme diets or rapid weight loss. Gradual changes are safer for your gallbladder. Eat a balanced diet, low in saturated fats and high in fiber. Incorporating fruits, vegetables, and whole grains helps maintain a good bile composition. Don't skip meals. Eating regularly keeps the gallbladder active, preventing bile from becoming too concentrated. Talk to your doctor if you have risk factors, such as a family history, to discuss additional steps you can take to protect your health. Now you know how and why gallstones form, and what you can do to prevent them. If you're interested in learning more about the symptoms, diagnosis, and treatments of gallstones, click the link in the description to learn more. Remember, taking care of your gallbladder is taking care of your overall well-being. Thanks for joining us today and see you in the next video.